In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Dmarc for Postmark. Dmarc is a protective layer for your domain that works alongside SPF and DKIM. It tells receiving mail servers what to do when messages claiming to be from your domain fail authentication. The great part is, you set it up with a single DNS-TXT record, and from there you can monitor how your domain is being used and gradually tighten security. Before you begin, make sure DKIM is already configured for your domain in your email service. That gives you a reliable authentication signal. If you also want to pursue SPF alignment for Dmarc, consider setting a custom return path with your sending service. That's optional, but helpful if you rely on SPF. Now head to your DNS provider and open the DNS management area for your domain. You're going to add a new TXT record. For the host or name, enter /emarkey. This special label tells the world that this TXT record contains your Dmarc policy for the entire domain. For the value, use a policy that starts in monitor mode so you can collect data before enforcing anything. A solid starting point looks like this: v dmarc1, pinon, pct 100, rua, mail2, your reporting mailbox, ruff, mail2, your failure reporting mailbox. SPFFs are. Here's what those tags mean. V dmarc1 declares the protocol version. None sets a monitoring-only policy, so no legitimate mail is blocked while you test. PCT 100 applies the policy to all messages. RUA points to the mailbox that will receive aggregated Dmarc reports, which help you see who is sending on behalf of your domain. RUF points to a mailbox for failure reports, which are more detailed. Not every receiver sends them, and they can be verbose, so use a mailbox you monitor. SPFSSR sets relaxed SPF alignment, which is generally recommended when using Postmark because it's more forgiving when the envelope sender differs slightly from your visible from domain. Type the tags exactly, separate each with a semicolon, and avoid extra spaces that don't belong inside tags. Save the TXT record and allow time for DNS to propagate. Some providers update quickly, while others can take a bit longer. Once your record is live, your reports will start to arrive at the mailboxes you specified. Review them to confirm that your legitimate sending, such as messages sent via Postmark, is authenticating with DKIM and aligning as expected. When you're confident everything looks good, you can later adjust the policy from none to quarantine or reject to actively protect your domain. For now, monitor mode is the safest way to get started without disrupting mail.